how you can unpin any messages from WhatsApp. So, in order to do that, you first need to go to WhatsApp and then go to the message that you want to unpin. In the previous video, I had shown you guys how you can pin a message, and it still has been pinned till now because at that time I had pinned it for 30 days and 30 days is not over yet. So I've written here, "Hello, how are you?" This message has been pinned because I can see a small thumbnail right down there. Now, in order to unpin this message, we need to select the same message which we want to unpin and then go to the three dots on the top right corner, and then we need to tap on the third option, that is unpin. Now, by doing so, our message has been unpinned. How you can make sure whether your message is unpinned or not is that by checking the small thumbpin sign below your message. It was there then, but now it's not there. It is this easy to unpin any messages from WhatsApp. So, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel in order to know more entertaining features about WhatsApp and various other social medias. Thank you for watching and stay updated.